Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome, and if you are returning, welcome back. This is my CVS haul for this week. Everything you see here was completely free and a 14-cent moneymaker. So if you want to see how I picked up these items, keep on watching. Yeah, so the first deal is the Colgate. It's $3.99. Buy two, get $4 back. Now you can pick up two. That's going to be $7.98. And you can use there's a digital coupon, 4 off of 2, or you can use 2 of these $2 coupons, and you'll pay $3.98, and you'll get $4 back, making 2 of them free. Yeah, so the Colgate toothbrush, it's $4.49. Buy 2, get $5 back. You can do that deal 2 times. I'm gonna pick up 4 at $4.49. That's gonna be $17.96. I'm gonna be using 4 of these $2 coupons, and I'll be paying $9.96. I'll get $10 back, making 4 of them completely free. Yeah, so this is my Colgate deal. I have 4 of the toothbrushes at $4.49, and I have 4 of the the toothpaste at $3.99. So for all of these products, it's $33.92. I have a 5 off of 25 Colgate CRT. I'm going to be using 4 of these for the toothbrushes and 4 of these for the toothpaste. I'm going to be left to pay $12.92, getting $18 back, making everything free, and a $5.08 moneymaker. Okay guys, so I'm going to be doing the Gillette deal. It's buy 2, get $10 back. I am picking up 1 of the women's razors at $9.99. And I'm going to walk over here and pick up 1 of the men's Mach 3 at $9.99. That for both of them, it's going to be $19.98. I have a 5 off of 20 CRT, and each one of these have a $3 digital coupon. I'll be left to pay $8.98, and I'll get $10 back, making both of them free and a $1.02 moneymaker. Hey guys, so the Revlon deal is buy 2, get $5 back. I have 6 of the Revlon Kiss Bombs. So I have 2 here at $7.29, and I have 4 at $6.29. So for all 6 products, that's $39.74. I'm going to be using 6 of these $3 coupons. I'm also going to be using 2 5 off of 20 Revlon CRTs I have. So that's going to take $28 off. I'll be left to pay $11.74, and I'll get $15 back because I'm doing the deal 3 times. So 5, 10, 15. Leaving everything to be free and a $3.26 moneymaker. Now, on this side right here, I'm going to get 2 of the Almay products. It's spend 12, get $4 back. So this is the other one. This is the coupon I'm going to be using for that. It's a 3 off of 2 and 2 of the Revlon. I have another 5 off of 20 Revlon CRT. So for these 4 products, it's going to be $27.56. These are $7.49 each, and this is $6.29. I'm going to be using this 3 off of 2 coupon. I have a 5 off of 20 Almay and Revlon CRT, and I'm going to be using 2 of these $3 coupons. I'll be left to pay $9.56, and I'll get $9 back. I'll get $4 for purchasing 2 and $5 for purchasing 2, making everything just 56 cents. Okay guys, so the next deal I am doing is the Garnier. It's buy 2, get $5 back. I'm gonna pick up 2 of the Skin Active face mask. It's $3.19. That's gonna be $6.38. I'm gonna try using these $2 coupons. Hopefully it works. I'll be left to pay $2.38, and I'll get $5 back, making it $2.62 moneymaker. Hopefully it works. I'm gonna let you know if it does at the end, okay? Okay, so if you have these CRTs and coupons, you can do this deal. You're going to pick up 2 of the Cetaphil wipes. It's $8.49 for both. It's going to be $16.98. There is a 5 off of 2 coupon we received in this week's insert. And I have a 5 off of 2 Cetaphil CRT. You'll be left to pay $6.98, but you're going to get $4 back on Ibotta, making both of them just $2.98. My store only had one, so I could not do this deal, okay? Okay, so I'm going to pick up 2 of the Jergens Ultra Healing Lotion at $5.29. That's going to be $10.58. I have a $1.50 coupon, also a $1.50 digital coupon. I also have a 5 off of 2 Jergens CRT. I'll be left to pay $2.58, but I'm going to get $2 back on Ibotta, making it just 58 cents for both. But I also have this 4 off of 2 coupon. I'm not sure if it's going to work. If this works, it's going to be free and a money maker. So I'm going to let you know at the end, okay? Okay, so this is my hair care deal. They're spend $20, get $5 back. I have 2 of the Herbal Essence at 2 for $12, and I have 3 of the Pantene, 3 for $15. I'm going to be using this $3 coupon for the Herbal Essence. There's also a $3 digital. For the Pantene, I'll be using this $3 coupon, and there's also a $3 digital. So for everything, it's $27. I also have a 3 off of 13 Pantene, and I have a 3 off of 8 for the Herbal Essence. I'll be left to pay $9, getting $5 back, making everything just $4. Okay, for my spend 30, get 10, I picked up 1 of the Scott, 4 of the Febreze card clips, 1 of the Honey Bunches of Oats, and 1 of the Downy products, but not this one. I don't know where my bottle went. I'm not sure if I left it at the store or if it's in my cart. So $5.99 for the Downy. I used 2 of the Febreze coupons, $1 for the Scott, $3 for the Downy, nothing for the Honey Bunches of Oats. And remember, in order for the digital coupon to glitch and come off, you have to enter $2.99 for the Febreze. So do not have your cashier enter $3. They have to put in $2.99. And that digital glitched and came off as well. So that's $30.93 minus all of the coupons, brought it down to $17.95, and getting $10 back, making it $7.95 for all of the products. So yeah, I believe that is everything. I think I did the Jergens in store. Oh, I didn't do this one. So on my other card, I did the Nature's Bounty vitamins, and I saw this on Star's channel. There's a $10 rebate. So for all 6, not 3, it's going to be $29.95, 97 cents. I had a $2 digital coupon. I paid $27.97. I got $10 back from CVS and $10 from the rebate that's processing, which is going to bring the final cost down to $7.97. So yeah, that's everything I picked up. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.